Smart glasses are revolutionizing how we interact with the digital world. But how do these seemingly simple devices project images directly into your vision? We're diving into the fascinating technology of retinal projectors. Traditional smart glasses use tiny screens or waveguides to place an image in front of your eyes. But the challenge is making these displays clear, bright, and compact enough for everyday glasses. To maintain a sleek, lightweight form factor, smart glasses need display technology that doesn't rely on bulky lenses or traditional screens. Enter retinal projection technology. This is a game changer, designed to project visual information directly onto the user's retina, achieving high-resolution, seemingly floating images. The core mechanism is essentially a miniature projector built into the arm of the glasses, but instead of projecting onto a screen, it uses precise optics and light sources. Retinal projection, often called laser beam scanning or LBS, is a display method that uses a microprojector to draw an image 1 pixel at a time, directly onto the back of the eye or the retina. The tiny projector module contains a light source, mirrors, and optics. These components work together to control and direct a beam of light with extreme precision. Unlike regular glasses, which project light for the eye's natural lens to focus, retinal projectors bypass the need for external focus adjustments by projecting light directly onto the retina. The light source typically involves 3 colored lasers: red, green, and blue, or highly focused LEDs. These are modulated to create the colors and intensity needed for the image. A microscopic, rapidly moving mirror scans the modulated light beam horizontally and vertically across the retina, effectively, quote, drawing the image onto the light-sensitive cells. When the light hits the retina, it stimulates the photoreceptor cells, and your brain interprets this light as a clear, high-contrast virtual image floating in your view. Like any new technology, retinal projection comes with its unique set of advantages and challenges that manufacturers are actively working to address. One major benefit is high brightness, making them visible even in bright daylight. Another is infinite focus, meaning the image remains sharp regardless of the user's focus or prescription. Challenges include ensuring long-term eye safety with direct light projection and optimizing the field of view, which can sometimes be limited compared to traditional displays. Retinal projection is a sophisticated solution for creating immersive, high-quality augmented reality experiences in a lightweight and stylish form factor. From industrial use to consumer electronics, retinal projectors are setting the standard for future smart glasses technology, promising an even more seamless blend of the digital and physical worlds.